Yo guys, what is up? Brando here, welcome to my channel. There is a company called Jam. They have released this new range of portable Bluetooth speakers. So portable is a term that can be bounced around the tennis court, but my interpretation of portable and your interpretation of portable may be a bit different. But to me, portable means at least I need to fit it in my backpack and move around with it. I do not consider things like the Harman Kardon Go and Play and the Onyx 5, Studio 5. I don't think that's portable. So they may have batteries in them, but portable to me means I can put it into my backpack, jump into an airplane, go to my destination and have some music. So Jam has a range of portable speakers, and why I was interested in this is that it sticks anywhere. I'm gonna put this through its paces. This is called the Jam Hang Up, and I'm guessing that you can hang it with this strap. We get 8 hours of battery playback time, 30 meters or 100 feet of range. So I will be testing that as well. It is IP67 rated. I mean, that is great. I think that's just absolutely brilliant. It has the sticky pad. So let's pop this baby open and see exactly what we are getting. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Wow, we're greeted with some very colorful cards here. Tell Jam about your jam. That's cool. Kids are gonna like this. There's a Jam sticker. I love this company already. At least they threw in a sticker. I mean, come on. And we have another one that says, no music, no problem. The Jam support team is here. Instruction manual. Okay. And another instruction manual. What's this? Oh, quick start guide. We don't read quick start guides. Let's pull this baby out of the box. And bam. Wow, okay. So the sticker kind of came out from here. I guess they're trying to tell us something. Here, there's all this sticky there for the meantime. But first things first, this speaker feels tough. And when I mean tough, how can I put it to you this way? I'm talking Ultimate Ears tough, UE tough. And this is not high end, this is just your moderate level kind of Bluetooth speaker. A very cool design. I love the way that they did not place everything there. It was well thought of. Let's take a look first over here. This seems to be the USB. Oh my word, that is great. I think that's great. This is the USB cable which fits in like rather nicely. Full size USB on one side and a micro USB on the other. It kind of just slots into this little hole and you insert your cable to the very fancy shape of this inlay, pop your USB in, and you don't even know that it's there. Another cool thing is that it has very strong band. This can be used to go onto your keyring or a backpack or whatever, but I mean, if somebody's gonna pull this, they're not getting it out. The Jam logo at the top. Let's see what's in this little section here. Just have a look at how thick this casing lid is. Right in here is your micro USB for charging, and it is the auxiliary quite deep in. That's how they're getting the IP67 rating. I'm just putting on my laptop. Please excuse the noise again. At the top, these are 2 buttons. They feel good. You can feel that it is a button. You don't have to really press it right in. There's also a button here. So if, oh my word, it's switched on. Wow, blue light to indicate that it's on. And I want to have a look if I can't pair this to my MacBook. Let's have a look here. There we go, hang up. Pretty cool sound to know that it's ready to be connected to. Okay, connected. It took 10 seconds, not bad. At the back here is a little flap, and underneath this flap is it's a sticky pad. I'm not sure, should I go to the manual? I'm not sure. I think that this is what they were talking about. Oh yeah, this is sticky. I mean, this is really sticky. Let's hear what it sounds like. You are listening to me right now on a Boya MM1 microphone that's on my camera 1 meter away. It's not fully charged. I pulled him out of the box right now and I want to play something for you guys. I'm not just saying that because I'm excited. I'm saying that because it does sound good. This song has a really low bass note that I deliberately wanted, and I can hear it. Even if I hold it up in my hand like this, I can hear that low bass note, and it's not distorting. It's sounding pretty nice. For this type of music, on my desk there, voila, what more do you want from a little exclamation mark portable Bluetooth speaker? It's good. It sounds very well. It sounds so good. Tell me. I think that this should be. Let me just put this on. It sounds so good. I think that this should be my next giveaway. I'm like blown away. For a baby speaker, it's really good. Do you want to test? Can it stick anywhere? Let's do this test, a quick one right now. I've got my iPad here and we're gonna stick this guy to my iPad. So I've got two surfaces on my iPad. One is the case, which is some sort of woven material. That will be pretty difficult to stick to. And one is the screen. So I think it's gonna stick to the screen. I don't have a doubt about that. Let's pull this little tab off. I don't know what happens when this goes off. Does it stick off? Oh wow, yeah, look at that. Very nice. So you don't get this all dirty and stuff. I'm sure you could just wash it up if it does get dirty. Let's have a look, let's stick it on. So here's my iPad. I'm gonna open it up for you guys to see. And we're gonna stick it on, bam, dead smack in the middle. And it's sticking. Can you see this? Can you see this? It's sticking. Okay. It didn't let go. It's there. Wow, that's really good. That is really impressive. But they said that it sticks to everything. Oh my word, it's stuck on. Oh my word, it's stuck on so tightly that it kind of cracked my iPad screen. Can you have a look at that? Yeah, this is a bad combination. Do not stick this speaker to your iPad. Screen replacement needed. Okay, let's close this guy up and let's stick it now to this suede surface. I think this is suede here. This is a Gola, whatever. Let's stick it here to the suede surface and hope that it does not. Okay, let's go. Suede. No. Let's stick it here to this material on the side. No. Two ways. One is you're gonna stick it to your iPad and bust the screen. Or two, this is gonna work on your shower door, your car window. I hope it doesn't bust that window, but your fridge door. And I must say that yet it does not stick to anything, as the box says, but it sticks pretty damn well. I will be using this quite a bit. It's only because the speaker sounds really good and the build quality is nice. I'll be quite happy carrying this around. You can compare it to speakers that are a little bit more pricier than this. I'm hoping that as they get more well known into the market, that they do not shove the prices higher. I'm hoping that they stay at reasonable prices, and if they could have made this a USB cable blue or to match this tag, that would have been really awesome. But overall, I must say this is an exceptionally well built Bluetooth speaker. It does sound very good actually. I would stick it to the back of my iPhone X but I'm not prepared to replace the back glass. Yeah, so you guys will really enjoy the speaker. I would recommend it. Yes, I would recommend it to you guys. It would make an excellent Christmas gift. It's something that you can give to somebody without wondering if they're gonna like it. This is a star. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this little unknown Bluetooth speaker. We're so used to hearing names like JBL, UE, Harman Kardon, etc. We forget about these up-and-coming brands that are bringing us good technology, excellent quality, and it's at a fraction of the price. So have a look at these guys. I've got some links down below in the description. Please don't forget to leave a comment. If you want to see more of these guys, let me know. And if there's something that you are interested in this portable Bluetooth speaker range, pop a comment down below. Remember, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you didn't, and don't forget to press that subscribe button. Thank you for joining me. It was a pleasure doing business with you. Ciao.